In this video, we'll show you how to 1. Turn Google Form responses into GitHub issues, and 2. Take it a step further and add Trello cards for each issue. This is my GitHub repo and Google form. Your form needs at least 2 questions. Make sure your form is linked with Google Sheets. To start, go to make.com and click on Create a new scenario. Search for Google Forms and click it. Under Legacy, click Watch Responses in Google Sheets. Log into your Google account. I've already done this. Select the spreadsheet linked with your form. Select which sheet the answers are on. You should have only one. I recommend adjusting the limit, which determines how many responses are processed each run. If we receive 10 responses, but the limit is set to 2, then 8 results will remain unprocessed. Please set the limit to a more suitable number and click OK. Select all and press OK. Press the plus button. Search for GitHub and click on it. Scroll down till you see Create an Issue and click it. Log into your GitHub account. Select which cell from your sheet is the title and the description. Both are needed. Under Enter Repo ID, check Select from the list. This will get all your repos. Select which one you want. The rest are all optional. I will be using the label IDs to label it as a bug. With assignee IDs, you can automatically assign the issue to someone. Change the schedule of the scenario and turn it on. This is the end result. Here is my Trello board. Create a new scenario. The Google Forms part will be the same as the previous example. Click on the plus sign and search for router and click on it. I will leave an explanation on how the router works in the description. Click on the top plus sign and follow along with the GitHub part, just like we did in the previous part. Click on the bottom plus sign and search for Trello and click it. Find Create a Card and select it. Under Enter a List ID, click Select. This will get all boards you have. Select which one you're going to use. Choose under which list the card should be created. You can add labels or assign the card to someone with the Labels and Members section. In Name, select which cell it should take this from your sheet. Description can be left empty. Select Map under File and press OK. Change the schedule of the scenario and turn it on. Demo time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out the make.com link in the description, and let me know in the comments what I should automate next. See you in the next one.